Harpers.
Hey, they have really cool nicknames on their suits now.
It doesn't matter.
Hello, Maverick,
Rocky,
Jazz.
Ice.
really cool nicknames.
Still doesn't matter.
Well, now how come they get nicknames?
Oh, right. All astronauts have cool nicknames. Let's see. You're 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Why am I number 2?
You're number 2.
Well, we're gonna be number 1 once we kick your little butts.
We were more scared when we thought we were going up against sea monkeys.
You took our commercial, you took our quad goals hashtag, but you will not take space from us. Yeah, you heard number 2.
Number 2. That means poop.
It does. Okay, your first challenge is an easy one. You're cruising towards Mars and you hit an asteroid.
Nice driving, Ricky.
It causes a fire in the hydrogen fuel system, and the only way to put it out is with water from your galley.
That should be easy.
Not if you're dizzy and spinning out of control.
Yeah, thanks again, Ricky.
So, spin yourselves on these posts. And put out your burning fuel systems.
What burning fuel systems?
Those burning fuel systems. And go!
I got it! I don't got it!
Look how dizzy they are.
Here, let me! I got it! I got it! Oh! I don't
Wait.
have it!
I have an idea.
Don't know time!
But
Just go!
This is dumb.
Drinking the water? That's your big idea? Brilliant!
Genius!
How dizzy are you guys?
Nice job, Harpers.
Yes!
Too bad the Kramdens put out their fire 5 seconds ago.
Kramden!